Hey everybody, I am at the Oregon City train station, such as it is. It's a cold, miserable day. It's 49 degrees. We've got 30, 40 mile an hour wind gusts coming through and big waves of this atmospheric river. If I was smart, I'd be upstairs in the Coasters Cafe, which is the old depot. Moved about a mile. I should be up there drinking hot toddies, but I'm not. I'm waiting for the Starlight. Hopefully it has that Dash 8 number 503 on it, so we'll see what happens. No Dash 8 on this one. And yeah, this is about 15 minutes later. I'll actually look at the film. Here's 14 northbound. I assume they met in Kanema or just around Aurora, up top of Hito Hill. Just trying to catch that Dash 8, number 503, that's been wandering around up here. Okay, 2 within the half hour, not bad. Talk to you later, folks.